Welcome back. Punch members of Sirli have unanimously decided not to allow Marathi signboards in the Panchayat. Locals also raised the issue of income certificates granted to families with high income for availing government schemes. They have asked the government to thoroughly scrutinize certificates before granting any scheme. However, Sirli Sarpanch said aggrieved people should complain to the concerned departments.
The issue of Marathi signboards in the Panchayat area was raised during Sirlim Gram Sabha on Sunday. Currently, the Panchayat has signboards in English language. Government notification says that the boards should be in Konkani or Marathi and English. But the Panchayat at the Gram Sabha rejected the notice.
Anonymously, resolution has been passed to write to government that we will insist only on Konkani and English.
Meanwhile, locals of Sirlim said that families with high income claim government schemes. Middle class and BPL families are ignored. Locals demanded that Panchayat should not consider families with high income for government schemes.
More than 3 lakhs that misuse office. And I kept going and gorib log astolo tag mela kon bor jota or grace tamra dekhu jata te benefit gena hai.
But Sarpancha Agostino Di Costa said aggrieved should complain to the concerned authorities.
Panchayat has no any jurisdiction to check their income. Suppose here father told if any member feels that they are giving false affidavit, they are very well to object and report the concerned department.
The Panchayat members have also resolved not to accept any kind of gifts from people for the Panchayat.
आम्ही एक resolution घेतला stating that पहिले आम्ही resolution घेतलेले की आम्ही आता कोणाचे gift विकते गोचे ना मोबी मागचे ना and that has been confirmed in this Gram Sabha.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Now look at the other events in the state.
The lecture series organized by Sahitya Academy concluded on Sunday at Art and Culture Department. Writer Pundalik Naik delivered his lecture on topic Bal Sahitya Lekhan Nayi Chunautiyan.
प्रौढ़ साहित्य और बाल साहित्य में कोई फर्क नहीं रहा है. कई गाने देखिए, चोली के पीछे क्या है, शीला की जवानी, मुन्नी बदनाम हुई, बदतमीज दिल, ये तो प्रौढ़ों के गाने हैं, लेकिन आजकल ये बच्चों के गाने बन गए हैं और इसको माँ बाप की भी अनुमति है.
Bicholi Shiv Sena unit paid tribute to Shiv Sena chief Bal Thackeray on his one-year remembrance on Sunday. The party members pledged to take the Shiv Sena movement ahead.
शिवसैनिकाच्या हृदयात परत एकदा शक्ती आलेली आहे. एक शपथ घेतलेली आहे की यापुढे शिवसेनेचं कार्य जोमाने पुढे नेण्यासाठी आम्ही सर्वजण शक्तीनिशी पुढे राहू आणि जोमाने काम करणार.
Club National celebrated its 101st anniversary with Old is Gold at Taligaon on Saturday.
This is 101st anniversary of the club, and this club is the oldest club which was in Goa. It was during Portuguese time. We had two clubs, Club Vasco and Club National, but this is the oldest club in Goa, and most of the members are from Panjim side and surrounding areas. And we have a lot of functions for social functions, and we do charity, we visit home the aged, we have sports, and a lot of activities.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
First All Goa Weightlifting Championship at Mapsa attracted many on Saturday. The championship was organized by the weightlifting boys of Mapsa under the aegis of Weightlifting Association of Goa. Have a look. And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.